Find him, find him, find him. Find him, little Bill. Find him. Find him. Find him, little Bill. Find him. Find him. That's him, cowgirl. Find him, cowgirl. Find him, little Bill. He using that nose. Got him over here, DV Kennel's little pen. They gonna play a little bit. And I want to get them to get that rabbit up. That rabbit up under there somewhere. Over there, Booyah. Go around there, Booyah. Call him over there, too. There you go, little Jew. Hey. That ain't your TT. Call the Bill over there. There you go. Find him. Find him. Find him. Hey there. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him, little Bill. There you go. You see what he doing though? I told you he already using the nose, son. Find him. Find him, little Bill. Find him, Jill. Find him. Them two Bill puppies there. That one and that one. You can tell they look alike.
They look just like their dad.
Find him. Yeah, them puppies just turned 5 months. He's 6 months. Find him. I have him going by hunting season. Find him, Bill.
It won't be hard.
Find him, Bill. Find him. Find him. Right here, right. Let's look at that nose work.
Yeah, I'm about to move this over there.
You here?
Got more cover.
Yeah. Call around that Booyah.
Come here, little Bill. Come here,
That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him. That boy got a mouth on him too, boy. Look at that. That's him. Look at Abby went that way. Right there. Right there. He ain't under there no more. I'm trying to get him to come around here and track him. Right here, Bill. Right here, Bill. Right here, Bill. Right there.
You know it's there.
That boy mouth better than his daddy mouth. She can smell it. Find him, little Jill. I love that dog there, boy. Them two dogs there. Fine.
He's still, you know it's under there too.
You think that isn't still under there?
Oh, yeah.
Now it came out. I think both of them had came out of there though. No, it's under there. It's under there. It's under there. Yeah, it's under there. There you go. Come and get it, Bill. Right here. Right. Get him. Get him, Jill. Get him, Jill. Find him. Find him, Bill. Find him. Find him, Bill. Come here, Jill. Come here, cowgirl. Come here, cowgirl. Find him.
They will climb that tree.
They will.
Yeah, right there.
I see it in there. Hey, that's smart. I used to have a rabbit like that in my old pen. And get up in there and hide. That's a good thing. They know they can get away from them.
They're gonna make them work.
Rabbit in the tree. She going over.
I got a puppy doing the same thing. That little red.
She tight mouth.
That little red when I got it, she won't open up for nothing. But she's so tight. She will.
Rabbit back over
Yeah,
there.
these rabbits you need in your pen right here.
Well, see, you know I got 2 of them. I just need to put me a pen down like this.
Yeah, cause them rabbits right there.
Like I said, man, after what they did to my dog, I hate to even ask anybody to help me do anything, man.
I told you, bro.
Lil' Bill.
I would've came over there and done it. I would've done it.
Lil' Bill, right. Lil' Bill.
There she go.
Nah, that was Lil' Bill.
That joke was
See,
tight.
she kinda scared of the rabbit because the rabbit at the house jumped on her. Uh-oh. I don't want him to catch it. You hear that puppy opening now, though?
That little one, I think that's Bill's sister.
Yeah, she opening. He finna catch it. Booyah, be ready to jump in there and get the rabbit out of there. He ain't gonna bite him or nothing.
They small.
That's what I like.
They small. Cause when they get tired, watch.
Yeah, he up under the pallet now. Look, he up under the pallet now.
She's gonna catch herself.
Find him, Jill. Find him, Bill. Yeah, he up under there.
She's gonna catch herself. She's gonna compose herself. And she's gonna take off her.
Yeah, bro, I gotta put my little pen up like this, bro. I ain't lying. See, I gotta build her confidence up.
Yep.
That rabbit jumped on and clawed her in the face.
Now she's scared of it.
She kind of scared of it right now, but I know if I keep her going. Get him out of there, Bill. Get him out of there. That's how you make them a jump dog there. See how you got that pallet down there? They trying to get. That's how you make them a jump dog. That's how you make them.
Won't even run like that.
That's how you make them a jump dog. Where they got to get up on there. See, he thought that was the rabbit.
Thought it was coming out.
Yeah. Get him out of there, Bill. Get him out of there, Bill.
See, I put mine in here at night.
But see, that's what I'm saying. I need to put me one up like this, to where I can do this. Just let them catch them, you know.
Run 'em.
That little pen, he do it in the little pen too. But I just need to work him like this for about 2 weeks. Then put him in my big pen. Find him, Lil' Bill. Get him out of there. The little rabbit chilling, ain't it? The other one.
Oh, that one's small. Oh, they small now. They won't get no tired.
That's a good thing. That heat'll make them tired though.
Oh yeah.
What you cutting your yard on, bro?
On 3.
Lil' Bill, right here. Right here, Lil' Bill. Find a little Jill right there. Right there. There you go, they got him, man. Yeah, that's the other rat. Some babies?
That's a male and a female rabbit. baby in here somewhere. I seen her locked down.
Right there. Pick him up. There you go. Straighten him out. That way he went. Right there. That's him. That's him now. Find him. That's him. See, he using his nose. That's why I told when I take him out with them old dog, it ain't gonna be hard.
He going in.
He tracking him. Now I'm gonna see if he gonna track him back. See if he gonna track him back this way.
That rabbit went in the tree.
Hey, that's a good thing, bro. Both of them do that?
Yep.
Right there, Bill. Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. He got some big shoes to fill, boy. I ain't lying to you. He got some big shoes, but he gonna have way more speed than his daddy, because you know I bred him to that Brinko to
That's what
Cookie.
she just said. He fast too.
Yeah.
Look.
That's her stuff.
She smelled it.
Look. You know she bred that black Ace Black Creek Tapo dog.
Oh.
Her mama was Tapo. Little Bill, he Black Creek Black Ace Brinko. So both of them gonna have speed.
When we get home, she got to do too.
Find him, Bill.
I'm not doing no.
Find him,
I'm not doing
Bill.
No more standing night. You supposed to be
Find him,
standing
Bill.
night pop off tonight.
Find him, Bill. Booyah, get in there and knock the rap down where he can get in.
Okay.
Make him jump down. Hold on, wait till he come. Come here, Bill.
I ain't worried about the little stuff. They gonna make a rabbit dog. They look in right here.
Bro, I'm telling you, I need to put me one up just like this, bro.
Take it.
No, I ain't gonna take yours.
It ain't gonna do nothing but help me, cause then I got that stuff in my yard.
Nah, I ain't gonna take yours. I just gotta do like you
I'll
did.
bring them over there. No, take all this. I load it up, bring it over there, we'll set it up. And take them 2 rabbits right there and put them in there.
Nah, bro, I don't want you to take your pen, bro. This is what you gonna make your puppies with. Fine. Find him, Bill. Find him, Bill. Find him, little Bill. That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him. Like, where he at? He hot now.
Get him out of there.
Get him out there and put him up. See, he hot now. Get him up. Good boy.